look, welcome to Terry's Tips. Listen, get a notebook, get a pen, guys, because I'm going to tell you how you can get up to $250,000, guys, in 48 hours. So this is business credit. This is a business credit option, guys, that I have not discussed with you guys before. And specifically, write this down, is Triton Capital, guys. They are known for equipment financing and for working capital. And guess what, y'all? They actually do funding and financing for startups, okay? So let's talk about it. And if you are new, hello, guys, my name is Terry. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, a mother, YouTuber, but more importantly, personal and business credit guru, guys. So I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And guys, the goal, our channel's goal, the reason why we're doing this is so you can learn how to leverage your personal and business credit to get wealth, guys, the 6 and 7 figures to help you have a legacy. So if that's something you want to do, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, guys, and I will do my nugget at the end. So guys, Triton Capital, okay, so they are not new. They've been around since 2008, and guys, they specialize in small business financing. So I'm gonna give you some information about their financing and what you need to qualify, and also, guys, what you can use this for. You guys are missing the opportunity to get equipment financing. And for a lot of you, you want money for your business, but you're not really sure, like, how much credit you can qualify for and what to use it for. Guys, understand for equipment financing, specifically for Triton Capital, they do not limit themselves to one specific industry. So equipment financing could be medical equipment, it could be technology, it could be bulldozers, it could be equipment for a gym, for a daycare, for real estate, it could be a dump truck, you know what I mean? It could be a pickup truck. If you guys are somebody who rents cars on Turo or wants to do peer-to-peer car share, it could be possibly cars, box trucks, vans, guys. So what I want you to understand is a lot of times equipment financing, even though they do have working capital, but they specialize in the equipment financing, may be easier for you to qualify for because they consider, guys, the equipment as collateral. So I want you to start thinking, as I'm outlining these options, what type of equipment could be used for your actual business to help you to grow. Okay, now the actual process, let me outline that real quick because it's real simple. The process takes like 5 minutes where you fill out an application. That's step number 1. Number 2, you're going to upload your documents. And then step number 3, guys, you're going to have a decision in like 2 to 4 hours. 2 to 4 hours. Yes, guys, they actually specialize in having a real quick process, a seamless process. Now, obviously, if you're doing it like Sunday at 1 o'clock in the morning, guys, during business hours, but 2 to 4 hours for a decision, guys, and they actually get funding for you in like up to 48 hours, like 1 to 2 days. So a lot faster than traditional banks, a little bit more of an easy qualifying criteria for credit. For credit, guys, they're going to check your personal credit. Business owners, your personal credit. So they did not actually list the actual credit score. You always want to be at least a 650, guys. 680 and above is better. So I will link some of my videos, guys, on how to increase your credit score. Guys, always aim to have a 680 and above. And especially, guys, follow me. This is a nugget. If you're a new business owner, you don't have a bunch of revenue, you don't have a bunch of taxes, you don't even have a bunch of track record. If you're a new investor, you may not have a great big real estate portfolio. They don't have anything else to rate you on. So you need to have good, at least decent personal credit, especially if you are a startup trying to get funding. Now, a bonus to that, right, guys, is some business credit. My whole channel is about business credit. So if you don't have any business credit, I'll link my video about how to get a score in 1 day. Go to my business credit building playlist, guys. So if you can at least have some business credit at 80 paychecks, a couple of trade lines, and have the personal credit be like a 650, 680 and above, you're good to go, okay, guys? And one thing I like about them is, look, drum roll, soft inquiry. So it's a soft inquiry on your personal credit. Another reason why I'm outlining, guys, they have a client advocate. So if you actually want to discuss options with them, it's Triton Capital. Guys, at the end of the video, I'll put the link in the description. If you want to actually discuss options with them, they will actually discuss options with you before you formally apply. So answer your questions, guys. Now, I wrote myself some notes for equipment financing. They have like 5.99% the actual loans range at, which is very, very good. For the working capital, 8.99%. Now, obviously, the stronger your business is on paper, the better your credit score is. Those terms and rates can actually vary, but that's where it's starting. 5.99 for equipment, 8.99 for working capital, guys. Also, the $250,000, it goes up to $250,000, guys, and the repayment terms are going to be about 12 to 60 months. Keep that in mind. Let me say it again. 12 to 60 months, right? So when you guys have that money, make sure you're getting something that you can use that's actually going to bring you back income and revenue that you can then pay the loan back, build that track record, and actually get more financing later on. Okay, guys? You actually can also pick, sometimes you have some flexibility in your repayment terms, but how it works for the majority of people is that they're going to have a set fixed payment. So it's not going to be revolving. If your payment is $400 a month or $700 a month or $1,000 a month, whatever it is, it's going to be a fixed amount, guys. It's going to come directly out of your business checking account. They will ask you for 3 months bank statements. So if you are a brand new startup or you don't have any revenue, make sure you communicate that, because a lot of times they'll want like a business plan. They'll want something else from you to show, if we lend you this money, how do you plan on paying it back, okay? And if you do have some revenue, 3 months. Make sure, read between the lines, y'all, that you at least have 3 months of business bank statements that have some transactions and deposits. They're looking at deposits to see, do you have the ability? Does your business have the ability to pay the financing back? Now, a couple of other things. They're faster than bank loans. Like I said, they do not niche yourself as far as like the actual industry for equipment financing. So if you have an idea about something, make sure you communicate that to them. And the 3 months, and then they'll give you a quote also. So for equipment financing, and say even like you're a restaurant, or say, like I said, like you're like a gym and you need certain kind of equipment, guys, what they want you to do is get a quote for how much the equipment will be, whatever it is. Like I said, even if it's a car that you guys want to buy, get the information about what it is you need to grow your actual business. And then when you're applying, make sure you submit that information. Now, always, business register with the state, EIN, business bank accounts, DUNS. Guys, make sure you have the basics. And I have a ton of videos about looking more fundable, especially if you're a startup, guys. Make sure you do those things like having a separate business phone number, having a website, having a professional email. The more information you can make them, you can give to them so your business looks lower risk, the more likely you are to get approved, okay, guys? And another option, one last thing I want to add, guys, is that they actually are connected to about like 30 different lenders. So sometimes if they're not able to do direct financing, they will still try to do some work to connect you to a lender that can help you. Yes, y'all, okay? So let's recap. Triton Capital, been around since 2008, specialize in small business financing, specialize in having a quick, seamless process, up to $250,000 you can get in like 1 to 2 days, specialize in equipment financing, even though they do have working capital, and they will finance startups, but your stuff needs to be tight, y'all. Make sure you have your personal credit in order and at least some business credit and do the fundability pieces so that you can look lower risk to this lender, guys. And for my nugget, let me just say that for business credit, some of you guys come to me, you're like, I want business credit. Give me some business credit. I'm like, I got you. How much do you need? What do you need it for? Y'all are like, I don't know how much I need. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I don't know what kind I need. Guys, stop. This is why I even said, like, stop thinking a brand new business is going to get like, $250,000 in an unsecured, line of credit right away. Yes, sometimes you can knock those things out the ballpark, guys, but think about, what do you really need the money for? Is it for employees? Is it for payroll? Is it for laptops and cell phones? Is it for, a car? Is it for equipment? What do you need the business credit for? How much do you need? Okay, well, do you really need $250,000 if your goal is to put 2 cars on Turo? Well, one car may be $20,000, one car may be $15,000. So a $50,000 equipment loan will do the same thing, and it's much easier for you guys to actually qualify for that faster. So go back, guys, and kind of figure out how much money do you need, what can you use it for in your best and worst case scenario. Because sometimes, you have this unsecured line of credit you guys really want, but sometimes the thing you actually qualify for is business credit cards, equipment financing, working capital, term loan, and all those things can still get you to the goal, guys. Okay, so be strategic about what you need, what you're going to use it for, and that will help you learn how to qualify for the type of financing that you could actually grow your business and help you get qualified a lot faster. Okay, guys, got it good. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the information for Triton Capital in the description. I'll also link some of my videos on credit scores. And guys, have a super amazing day on purpose.